My name is Johan, and my basic background is I've been training the armed forces in close quarter combat, and the inspiration was, if the army guys can be fit, why can't the civilians? It is people's vanity to be having a flat stomach or something like that.
The point of the exercise is to actually sort of, develop your abs and just be mindful about what you're trying to do.
While a flat stomach was always aspirational, as I said, but I never thought that I would go for it and I would actually see, the change there.
I thought it was just a dream to have a flat stomach. I didn't know that it's going to be real.
The concept is, yes, the requirements of the students was they were asking in terms of, can we have a flat stomach? Can we do something as a flat stomach challenge?
I think Johan is really the kind of guy who knows how to work with the people that he's working with.
How we've done is we've kind of, targeted this thing, keeping the core in mind.
When I saw the apps challenge, I felt like, oh, this looks so easy. But to be very frank, the first day when I did, I was not able to complete it.
It was very intimidating when I first looked at it.
All the exercises we have already done, so it was not that something that was new to me. So it was just that fitting it with our workout every day would have been a challenge.
I thought it was definitely going to be a big challenge, especially after we go through the grind, the regular 4-day grind.
The numbers, when you look at those numbers, 50 of each really is very intimidating. So it was challenging actually, but I was up for it.
You have these questions in your mind, whether you can do it, whether you'll be able to complete it.
I had no problems with it. I mean, I was quite happy with it.
So we start with a plank, which you hold for, a certain amount of time.
So for me, 3.5 minutes itself, when it looked on paper, it seemed quite challenging.
Oh, I certainly don't look forward to 3.5-minute plank.
But then as it went long, I slowly increased it from 2 to 2.5 minutes to 3 to 3.5 minutes.
And then slowly we work on the mid muscle region and the lower muscle region. And then again, we work on the core. So that's how this entire thing has been split.
I think the mountain climbers was one of the hardest ones.
Least favorite by far is mountain climbers. Mountain climbers is not something that I really look forward to.
I think my favorite exercise are the Russian twists. I've always loved them.
Favorite would be bicycle crunches, flutter kicks. Those are the easy peasy ones.
Doing things over and over and over again has made it easier.
So the number of minutes that we were taking to complete each exercise reduced.
Slowly, I've seen that I've been able to do 15 squats.
It's not completely easy. It's still a challenge, but I'm enjoying it.
Yeah, it's not only exercise, it's also a combination of exercise, diet, and proper resting.
It was prescribed at the beginning of the challenge that one should stay off sugar, minimize carbs.
So I was just a little more mindful of not snacking, because I love snacking. And one of the things that was said is no snacking. So that part was a bit tough.
I just wanted to demonstrate to students that if you have a single-minded objective or focus, okay, let's only focus on the abs. Let's say 5 days a week, for a period of 6 things, you will get results.
A lot of the exercise, I don't feel like it's a chore anymore.
And that's what has happened. People have started getting results and they're seeing, look, the waist has narrowed down. And they have also started losing weight.
The second week when I did the 40, it didn't seem so daunting then, because my body was so used to doing 30 for 2 weeks. Any weight loss program has to be sustained only, then you will see the difference, right?
Literally after 2 weeks, there was a 1-inch reduction on my belly.
I lost 3 inches on my waist. So yeah.
One feels lighter and one feels more energetic, and it helps your functional fitness.
My energy levels are different.
So what people think is, when you work out in the morning, you're tired for the rest of the day, which is actually not true, because you have energy to carry on through the rest of the day.
So just seeing your strength, I think, build over time is just amazing.
See, it starts with the discipline.
That thing of, coming every day, doing it, either morning, evening, that discipline, that rigor.
I think fit is not a challenge. I think fit is just living.
And I've clearly told the students, we are not getting into shepherding you and seeing whether you've done your work from morning to evening. No.
Remember that in any case, 4 times a week, I'm doing the regular oval crew exercises. and those can be quite intense anyway. So in a sense, flat stomach challenge is a bit of a warm up compared to some of the stuff that we have to do in the regular exercise.
Now, whatever is the result is going to be something better than where we started
I
off.
often complain to Johan that when I do sit-ups, I feel nothing in my abs anymore. I don't feel, but that's partly because maybe I've become stronger. There was a time when I remember when I did sit-ups, the abs would be, crying in agony.
I hope they at least do these exercises every other day, when they're not working out, at least for 10 minutes. If it doesn't have to be 50 reps, at least 20 reps. See, there's something called maintenance. You've achieved a certain result. Let's say you've lost 1 inch of your waist or something like that. Then what we are looking at is maintenance. So you need to keep working on it. If not all 5 days a week or 6 days a week, at least thrice a week, you keep at it.
I feel like I'm at a different level now.